at the Manufacturing Technology Conference. It's the first edition, and this conference is all about sharing knowledge about manufacturability and manufacturing techniques.
We are here to share our knowledge. There are a lot of companies who have new possibilities in design and engineering, and today we show those new inventions to help designers to better design their products.
Here you learn about all the machines, the machine builders, the manufacturing tools, the measuring tools in order to go from the design towards the full functional system.
We hadden het eigenlijk niet verwacht dat we de award zouden winnen. We hebben gewoon eigenlijk onze competenties van het bedrijf gepresenteerd. Dus frezen, 3D printen en de assemblage. Ik ben trots dat het erkend wordt op deze manier.